In my last video, we have learned how to make TDS payment. So in this video, we'll learn the next step in TDS return filing, that is generating FVU file. Okay, so first you have to log in into your ClearText software, then select Clear TDS. Then you select the deductor. So I'm selecting the deductor. So select TDS returns. You have to always go step by step. That is, first we have deducted the TDS, then we have made the payment, and now we are generating FVU file. So this is the third step in TDS return filing. So you have to create a new return over here. So I have already created for form 26Q non-salary and quarter 3. So click on work on this return. So now you can see here deductions, chalans, deductees all are showing 0. So what we have to do? We have to import the details over here. So what we have to do? We have to select import from Excel. We cannot choose file because we have not entered the data yet. So we'll download the Excel file and insert all the details over there. So you can see here all deductee details will come: PAN number of the deductee, deductee name, and employee reference number. This is optional, so you can leave it blank. Section code. So here you can see there are number of sections. You can select whichever section applicable for you. Total amount credited. So total amount on the invoice, that is, say for example 1 lakh. Then date of credit and date of deduction both will be same, which is mentioned on the invoice. Okay, so next is amount of TDS deducted. I deduct 10% on 1 lakh, so TDS amount will come over here, that is 10,000. If there is any surcharge, then you can enter over here, otherwise put it 0 or leave it blank. Here all challan details will come, so you have to keep your challan handy in order to put all the details. Minor head you can select over here. For me it is 200 TTS TCS. Challan date will be mentioned on challan BSR code, challan number, that is challan serial number, TDS amount. Okay, everything you have to enter over here. If there is interest, then you put it over here, otherwise leave it blank. These are not applicable for me, so I am leaving it blank. I hope this is clear for you all. I have already entered the data. So now we have to choose file. Okay, we have to enter the data in that Excel file and we have to save it and select the Excel sheet over here and click on upload and import. So now view import details. Over here you can see all deductee details, okay, challan and everything. So here there is option you can delete anything if you have entered wrongly over here, otherwise click on save deductions. Okay, so now before we have seen that everything was showing 0, deductions, challans, deductees. Now here it is reflecting, right? So deductions are 4, challans are 4 and deductee is 1. So now what you have to do, click on generate FVU file. If there is any error, then it will reflect over here. So no error, everything looks perfectly alright, so you can go ahead. So now provide the necessary information to generate FVU file. That is, first one is, has the address of deductor changed since last return? If you have changed, then you select yes. I have not changed, so I am selecting no. Has the address of responsible person changed since last return? No. Okay. So was a regular TDS return filed last quarter? If you have filed the last quarter, then select yes and put 15-digit PRN number. Okay, now this PRN number, people make mistake over here. PRN number is not the acknowledgement number. Okay, so in order to get the PRN number, you have to log in into your income tax site, and then you can check your filed forms. Over there you will find the RRR number, that is the PRN number. Okay, so you have to enter over here and click on download CSI and generate FU file. Put the captcha. So you have successfully generated a FU file for financial year 21-22 quarter 3 form 26Q non-salary. Okay, so now this is done. This is how you have to download FU file. So click on download FU file. So over here the FU file will get downloaded. Okay, once you open the downloaded FU file, these are the files which get downloaded. Okay, so form 27A is the form which you can take the printout and file the return offline. Okay, otherwise you can file it online, that is by uploading this FU file in your income tax website, on which I have already made the video. You can watch it for the same. Thank you.